Welcome to Crowd Observations, where some crazy bastard is talking smack about the bad drivers of Germany. Sometimes also from other places, like in this case here, having some footage from an American buddy who lives in the state of disarray, officially called Oregon. And he's right behind some guy driving some garbage. I mean, he's taking some garbage for a ride. Literally garbage. I am wondering about the origin of this incident. Was the person placing the bag on top of the car and accidentally forgot it was there and started driving? Or are we witnessing some proper American redneck who just threw the thing up there and was like, yeah, that'll stay there perfectly because physics ain't got nothing on me. Alright, let's get back to Germany, where we like to drive smaller cars, but not going for smaller trouble. Bubble car playing some chicken with us. We are driving with Ralph over the Autobahn. His tail cam is shooting out of the rear window. It's late at night and low traffic. Whatever could possibly happen?
Alter.
Pretty much looked like a case of either distraction or microsleep. This guy was very damn close to torturing our poor bumper.
Alter.
Here we are in Switzerland, and people are usually a little slower with their decisions. And now we are seemingly meeting another bubble car, playing chicken with a bigger road user. Trucking Ben is on the middle lane because only the left two lanes remain on this freeway that he wants to stay on, so that's alright. What's a little more critical is the speed with which he races by those standing vehicles. Not very safe to fly by standing cars so closely. Because too much speed and too little distance are the two main issues for bad crashes. You need a second for reacting, so you need a bit of distance for reacting. If it is not there, you may not stop behind a braking vehicle, but maybe inside it. The Mercedes didn't even brake hard, but still our man had visible issues to stop behind him. I am not a guy of public transport. I usually like to travel myself. This here isn't anything like an incentive to change that. We are about to see somebody nicely torturing his tire. And nearly getting crashed into. Here we've got some very unfortunate farmers. I don't think they acted stupidly. I guess they just got surprised by the soil being way softer than they anticipated. Our man did not stop to help because, honestly, what would you try to help them with? Giving those huge machines a quick push and they're gonna be free? Rather not. Do lights matter when meeting bikes in traffic? That was a well-deserved scare for this oblivious jaywalking. I did say speed and distance are essential for not crashing. This here was already suspicious, but let's take a look behind us. Well, too little distance and almost crashed. Damn, what a nutcase! Such stupid maneuvers remind me of somebody. Well, there he is. Your daily dose of stupid. Get ready for the third bubble car. Granny somehow totally missed a big-ass truck, and such are reasons why I am very critical about elderly drivers. I really am. It should be mandated that they are going through driving tests every 2 years or so. Today seems to be the day of bubble cars. We get a green light and...
Machst du denn
denn da für ein Scheiß?
Passing a truck over the turn lane is one thing. Trying to mess with a V8 in this fashion, you're getting eaten. What is going on? Oh, that is going on.
Ich glaub, hackt, ey.
One drive, two major issues. This guy here slamming his door open without wasting a single thought about traffic, and somebody else is owning the world's biggest bullet. There is an unfortunate traffic jam. How great would it be to be riding a bike now? Nicely red-painted bike lane. How much more distinctive do you have to make them in order to have car drivers recognizing them?
Das war knapp.
These bikers are having fun, and I am having fun watching them, because passing cars while oncoming traffic is passing all of us easily results in some new and fresh organs on the market. We all should be grateful and thank them for their selfless acts. Doing the same thing with a massive car is very selfish, however. You need to be quite the type of stupid for that. Here we are, pretty damn fast. And with great speed comes great responsibility. Well, racing that heavily, you should always make sure to have perfect brakes. It's easy to misjudge someone's speed when you only see a pair of lights in the mirror. Speed limit of 70 kph and a solid line for good reasons. But we always got some selfish motherfucker who doesn't care about racing along and endangering various people. Other people, however, aren't acting as dangerously, but you could say in a more creative way with their illegal passes.
Zur Demaskierung schreiten.
Was für ein Voller.
Cookie blieb keine Zeit zu berichten.
We are approaching a freeway interchange, and you should know in time what your desired target actually is. They are in huge letters on those overhead signs.
In Richtung Amsterdam folgen. Dem Straßenverlauf von A30 noch 70 Kilometer folgen.
Stopping on the freeway because you took a wrong turn, oh boy, is that stupid and dangerous. Do not do that. Accept your fail and look out for a detour. However, while freeway intersections are sometimes having the most extraordinary constructions all over the world, many of them are made like a four-leaf clover. Even if you end up in the wrong direction, you can correct your mistake without even leaving the interchange. It can be pretty simple if you are aware of the design of this whole thing. This guy is standing here, but wants to go right. But he doesn't even have the need to pull off this crazy maneuver and could still easily get to his desired direction. We got footage from exactly this interchange we see in the video and how you can manage to do what I just pointed out. Just keep going there and take the next exit, running the first circle. Stay right and take the next circle. Do it again and take the third circle, and you are going the direction you originally planned to go. It is a great concept, basically rather easy to understand, but if you're not looking at the navigation device with a top view, it's hard to tell how an interchange is built when approaching it. And I guess this guy didn't know what lies ahead of him. We are making a right turn here, while having a truck in front of us, so our man uses the upcoming twin lane road to instantly get next to the truck for passing. But he might have slightly missed how quickly this car is approaching from behind. Yeah, well, he kinda messed up a little, but no hard feelings, right? Well, you know that things are often not going smoothly in traffic. This road here is entering the freeway in a second, so this lane left of us is the lane on which cars are leaving the freeway. So of course this specialist can't keep himself in check and needs to pass various cars on this lane in a blind corner without seeing traffic. Somebody needs to keep those crash statistics up and running, right? Hello there. Okay, so once again, the end is here, and time for me to encourage you to pick another episode. I need to go and take care of way too many things. It's an annoying time. But definitely see you again next week. Have a good one.